Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota RAV4 headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and clean gloves to protect the bulb. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the precise headlight bulb type required for your specific model, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Now, let's access the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully disconnect it by pressing the release tab and pulling it away. Next, gently remove the rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from dirt and moisture, to fully expose the old headlight bulb for removal. With the old bulb exposed, unclip the retaining spring that holds it firmly in place. Now, very carefully remove the old bulb. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the brand new bulb into the housing, making sure it is perfectly seated and aligned before re-engaging the retaining spring to hold it securely. For the final steps, replace the rubber dust cover over the bulb housing, ensuring a tight seal to protect against elements. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly until you hear a click. Once everything is reassembled, close your vehicle's hood. Turn on your headlights to test the new bulb, checking both the low beam and high beam settings to confirm proper operation and illumination before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.